In this video, we will show you how to replace your outside mirror directional assembly on this Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to the bottom of your outside mirror. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is take hold of the mirror and carefully pull it straight forward. Once we've done so, we'll be paying attention under this area. You'll find that you have one T10 Torx screw holding this in place. Use our T10 right up in here. Remove the mounting hardware, give it a close inspection. We will be reusing it. Now we can take hold of that assembly and slide it forward. Draw it straight down. Now that we have that pulled down, you'll have a look right along here. We do have a wiring harness that we will have to disconnect. Commonly for this, you can squeeze on the little locking tab here and disconnect this. If it doesn't lift up high enough, just use a small pocket screwdriver, get underneath the lock, and then you should be able to separate this. Now, once you have that disconnected, give the wiring harness a close inspection for corrosion. And there it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new outside mirror directional assembly. Start by securing your wiring harness. We'll press this right in here. That locking tab should fall into the small groove. Now we can take this and start putting it in place. What we will have to do is pay attention to each one of these two locks. Once we have it in place, we're going to slide it rearward towards the mirror aspect here. Just bring it right up and in. Press it rearward. Continue on to your one T10 screw right under this area. Right there is where it bottomed out. We'll just make sure it's snug. Keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic and we don't want to strip or break anything. We'll double check to make sure it's completely secure and put the mirror in the original position. Okay friend, we fully installed our outside mirror directional assembly. The next thing you want to do is test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.